Good evening, students. So we will wait for some more time because we are expecting around 70 plus students. So I hope you're all ready for the math session. So till then, can we have some details about you? So we want to know from where you guys have joined. So just message in the chat window from which location you guys are from. If it's Chennai, Bangalore, or whichever city, just type in your city name in the chat window, so we will know from where you have joined. If it's outside India, please chat. Please type your city name as well.
Oh, there's somebody from Australia.
So we have a lot of students from Australia. That's nice.
Yes.
Very good. Sri Lanka as well.
Sharjah.
So we will wait for another 5 minutes, students. So we will have more students joining in from across the world. So Navina is from Kolkata. So today's session will be both in English and in Tamil. So not to worry about how the flow is going on. So if you have any questions, you can type it in the chat window. At the end of the session, we will make sure the trainer answers it. So we have someone from Malaysia as well. So I would like to know who are the students who attended our previous session. We conducted a session, same Dr. Parameshwari was the trainer. So can someone type in saying, yes, I attended our previous session, which took place last month in September. Anybody who has attended the previous session? Now I have another question. I want you to message which grade, which standard you guys are studying. Which standard and which grade? Another thing, students, so since you're switching on your camera, make sure your parents are aware of it. Please get their permission to switch on your cameras. Make sure you convey to them, because we want their permission to see it. Don't worry, I am not the trainer. Dr. Parameshwari will speak, so my voice is a little low, I think. But Dr. Parameshwari's network is full, so she will be very our session will be loud and clear. Yeah, students, make sure you have a note and a pen with you so you can note down all the techniques which our trainer is going to share. So please make sure you have a note or a paper with a pen. And any queries, please post it in the chat window. At the end of the session, we will make sure it is answered. And in case if there's anything which you think you want to ask our trainer, you can email it to rsvp@vicadon.com. Please note down this email ID. Even after the session, if you have any queries before the next session, which is on the 31st October, you can always email it to us. We will make sure we get the answer for it. So it is rsvp@vicadon.com. I'm typing it in the chat window. Just note it down. If you have any queries even after the session, you can always email it to us. So we have 66 students here. Welcome all. We have not yet started. We are waiting for some more students. Once we cross 70, we will start. So around 4:05, we will start. Ma'am is going to also train you in English. So she was very kind and to accept to be a speaker once again. And ma'am represents Brain Cub, one of the finest institution and organization which trains students on how to learn maths the easy way, the fun way. So now let's start the session. Welcome, Dr. Parameshwari.
Thank you.
Now over to you. So the floor is yours. So you can take up around 5:30 or 5:45. We will start the Q&A, ma'am.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you, Alex. and it is my, I'm so happy that Ananda Vikadan is doing this program along with us. Am I audible to you, children? Thumbs up. Am I audible to you? Show me the thumbs up. Yeah, okay. So thank you, Ananda Vikadan, for the opportunity given to us, and we are honored. And now I'm Dr. Parameshwari. I'm into this field for the past 17 years, and basically I love children, and our company name is Brain Car. So as the name itself implies, there are few techniques in our program which works with the brains of children. Actually, we have one brain which has two sides, and yeah, now you can see a slide where it says Brain Carve Educare India Private Limited, right? So that is our company name, and we have 6 techniques in it where it acts with the right and the left brain of children. Usually children, when you go to school, the left brain gets activated, and the right brain inputs are different, where the school will not be able to give you all those inputs. So what is right brain for? The right brain is for intuition, creativity, imagination, colors, pictures, movies, and all that. The movie makers, storytellers, dancers, artists, they all come under the right brain side. So when we were thinking about it, the right brainers are more powerful than the left brainers. So what should we do for that? We found out 6 techniques. Which again helps the children for the right brain activation. So in the 6 டெக்னிக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட ரைட் பிரெயின் ஆக்டிவேஷனுக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ரைட் பிரெயின் பவர்ஸ் உள்ளவங்களால நிறைய சாதிக்க முடியும். That's the research says. So we wanted the children to activate the right brain also. Of course, we are all left brainers. There are few born right brainers, few, you can name it. So the successful people, the leaders of the world, you can say they will be right brainers or trained right brainers. So right brain can be trained as well. So here we are going to teach you Magic Fingers and Vedic Maths today. And it will be very fun and learn method, and you will love it. Romba nalla irukum, enjoy பண்ணுவீங்க. Because the first sessionலயே நிறைய interaction இருந்துச்சு, அதனால தான் இந்த second session நாங்க எடுத்திருக்கோம். Mr. Pritham Alex also mentioned it. So we shall start with the program, and any queries you have, we can have it at the end of the session. So let's go into the program now. Pradeep, the previous one. Pradeep, the previous slide. Yeah, so you can see the 6 techniques, which is created by our team. Maybe I'm at the front end, saying as a creator, founder of Brain Carve, but there are lots of people who are behind me. An R&D, research and development team is behind me on this, and they are the masterminds. And we have Magic Fingers, Abacus, Vedic Maths, Memory Technique, Personality Development, and Thinking Technique together as one course. And we are the first in Asia to have all the 6 techniques together. So it was like, it is a holistic program for the development of a child in any ways. You can say, be it life skills, soft skills, mathematics, memory problems, thinking capacity, concentration, focusing, listening, observation, whatever you name it, we have the solution for it. That is Brain Carve. And this is wonderful course. I should not tell it. I have, expanded throughout the world. Our company is throughout the world. You can go to YouTube and know about us more. Why Ananta Vigadan has been taken us with them. So that adds a feather to my cap. Now, thank you once again. And the next slide. The techniques which we are going to cover for these programs, upcoming programs we have on 31st as well. And we will continue. Is Vedic Max. Maybe I'll touch first Magic Fingers and Vedic Max today. If time permits, we will look into the other techniques little, not too much. So நம்மளோட டாபிக் வந்து கணக்கு கசக்காது இல்லையா? ஸோ அதில் கொஞ்சம் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம் இன்னைக்கு. வரும் நாட்கள்ல நம்ம எல்லாத்தையும் பார்க்கலாம். There will be some fun and activities for you. So let's get into the next slide. Yeah, the topics to be covered in Vedic Max today is squaring of numbers and division by 9. Before that, I would like to show you something. So, Pradeep, yeah, no, not this. You can just make it stop share. Stop share. Yeah. Now I'm going to teach you magic fingers. So I want few children to show their faces. Enkuda adu seiradhukku fingers kaamikano. Can you show me your 10 fingers? Yes. How many numbers you can show with the 10 fingers? You can type it. You cannot talk to me. I'm sorry. So how many numbers you can show with 10 fingers? Yeah, 10. Prominently 10. Very good. Now today, why we call this as magic fingers is you can show 99 numbers with 10 fingers. Are you ready to learn the magic? Ready, Alnaru? Magic katukalama? Magical fingers paklama eppadi irukka podunu? Viral magic panna porom. You ready? Yes, thumbs up. Yeah, ready. Okay. So your right hand stands for ones, left hand stands for tens. Ones, tens. So I want you to take your right hand, close it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. This is school 5, right? This is school 5. In BrainCarve, in our company, we teach even the UKG child on the first day, they learn addition and subtraction and go until to their parents that, you know, I usually parents, enkita soluvanga, எங்கள்கிட்ட வந்து மேஜிக் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன்னு விரலால எப்படி எப்படி பண்றா ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So they love it. நீங்களும் இன்னைக்கு அது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. You will also love it. Okay, so be with me and take something when you go home after 2 hours. Okay, it will be very fruitful. So first right hand close, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is school 5. அப்ப BrainCarve la enna magic காமிக்க போறோம் அப்படினா the thumb alone takes the value of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you do with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change is here. Only thumb is 5. The thumb takes the value of 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9. I have 9 numbers in my right hand. Okay. So shall we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is this number? This is 2. Yes. This is 4. 5. 7. Yeah, so I will call the number, you will show it. எனக்கு தெரியும் நான் செஞ்சிடுவேன். இப்ப நீங்க செய்றீங்களா பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Will you be able to do? Yeah, show me 2. Yeah, 4, 7, 5, 6, 7. Right hand, left hand edukkodadu. Right hand da once. Left hand, no left hand. Okay, right hand. So 7. Show me 9. Okay, 9. Good. So now, how to add and subtract with the ones digits? This ones digits thana. The ones digits. So let's see how to add and subtract with the numbers 1 to 9. So look at my fingers. I'm going to do a fast math. Murugan Selvaraj, you are not able to understand means the language or the teaching. Can you type? You want me to repeat? Okay, the right hand stands for ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. The thumb alone takes the value of 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1, 0. Okay. So 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Any number between 1 to 9, you can show. Now I'm going to show you a little of addition, subtraction. The limitations, magic fingers la enna, you can do only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division la panna mudiyadu. Okay, 99 numbers kulla add and subtract பண்ணலாம். நான் தமிழ்லையும் பேசுறேன், இங்கிலீஷ்லையும் பேசுறேன். Hope you all understand, right? Or you want me to repeat again? Okay. So the right hand stands for ones and the left hand stands for tens. Left hand இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு வேண்டாம், right hand மாத்திரம் பார்க்கலாம். Right handல 1, 2, 3, 4. School 5 na இப்படி காமிப்போம் இல்லையா? 5 காமிங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே காமிப்பாங்க. நம்ம யூகேஜி சைல்டு கூட காமிக்கும், எல்கேஜி சைல்டு கூட காமிக்கும். ஆனா அதே சைல்டு what is school 5 na இப்படி காமிப்பாங்க, what is brink of 5 na இப்படி காமிப்பாங்க. Thumbs up. It is very easy to understand. Nowadays the children are very intelligent. இல்ல நீங்களா ரொம்ப intelligent தானே? Very shrewd. ஆமா இல்ல? Yeah. So it will not take much time for me to make you understand anything because you are wonderful children and you are very intelligent, grasping power, observation, online classes. எங்க காலத்துல எல்லாம் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்லாம் இல்லப்பா. பாருங்க நான் எங்க உட்காந்து டீச் பண்றேன்ட்டு நீங்க எங்க உட்காந்து கேக்குறீங்க. So online classes-க்குலாம் நம்ம practice ஆயிட்டோம் இல்லையா? So you are really great, all the children. Going along with the crowd, you know, flow la poringa. Well done. Online classes, of course, we have to adapt to it because I don't know when this pandemic COVID situation will get over. Maybe another 6 months or 1 year until vaccine கண்டுபிடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம எல்லாரும் இப்படித்தான் பார்த்து பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். Be safe at home and learn more things. Utilize the time very properly. And I thank all the parents who have come forward for this, these kind of workshops. Thank you very much. Okay, now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 அப்படினோனா பிளஸ்னா ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் மேல வரணும், மைனஸ்னா ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் கீழே போணும். 2 minus 1 1. 4 minus 2. My fingers are going down. Yeah, you are very intelligent. I know, Raghavan. Yes. நான் தான் சொல்லிட்டேன்ல, அதை திருப்பி நீங்க சொல்லிக்கிறீங்க, நான் தான் சொல்லணும். நீங்களா intelligent. Rita, I would like to see Raghavan at the end of the show. Let's see. Okay. So, see, 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 8. Answer is 1. See how fast the math is? So, you can also do this by practice. Practice pannona vandro. Easy. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 7. The answer is 2. 9 minus 7. Yeah, Sri Sun. Yeah, I could see you opening your mouth. Ah. Yeah. Okay, so 9 minus 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 5. This is 5, right? So when you get it inside, it is minus. When you take it outside, it is plus. So shall we do a small problem? Not fastly. Slowly. Are you ready? Aradhana, Shivasri, Jessie, Fatima, you have raised your hands. Yeah. Yeah, what is your, you can type, Kana, Jessie. Jessie, can you type it? If you have any queries, type it, ma. Salah. Yeah, what's your doubt? You're raising your hands. If you don't type, I cannot help you. I'm moving on. I can't turn on video, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is under our control, ma'am. Partha Saradi, cannot type what you want. Preetham. Preetham, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Tell me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Padmanabhan.
Yes,
Yeah, Batmanabhan sir, yes. Is the video is in your hands?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I think they went out and came, and I think that's where. But it's okay. Just tell them, students. Video is okay. Not to worry. So we will just go with the session, ma'am. Any
Oh.
queries? Please type it out in the chat window. Students, anything you can type it in the chat window. Video is not necessary. You can just see, ma'am. Practice it with your parents.
See,
No, we can proceed.
maybe in the question answer session, we will put it on. So no worries. I can see few children. So I'm calling their names. Okay, I want to see few children. That is why it is on. No worries. If you're not able to put on your video, it is not a matter. Just listen to me. That is more than enough. Governing class. Okay. Yeah. So now let's do, whoever I can see must show the numbers. I'm going to call out the numbers. Show me 2. Add another 2. Add 5. So the answer is, yeah, 9. Thank you. So now another sum. 0, keep 0. 9, show me 9. Minus 2. So what is the answer in your fingers? What is the answer? Is 7. Yeah. Now minus 5. You have 2 fingers, so the answer is 2. Okay. Shall we move on to the left hand? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah. So, yeah. So this is about right hand. Right hand stands for ones. I'm moving on to the left hand. Take your left hand up. Put it 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 50. 50 is your thumbs up. 60, 70, 80, 90. And 9 is 99. Okay. So I have 90 in my left hand and 9 in my right hand. So it is 99. What is this number? $44. Ma'am, please do it again. Okay, let me repeat. Somebody is telling me to repeat it again. So I'm going to repeat it again. My right hand stands for ones. My left hand stands for tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in my right hand. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 in my left hand. So 90 plus 9, I can show 99 numbers in my 10 fingers. 21, 46, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 33, 52. Any number you can show. 52, 68, 71, 89, 91. Any numbers in between 1 to 99, you can add and subtract as well. Okay, so this is 22, 22 plus 22 plus 55 minus 44 minus 50 is 5. 23 minus 13 plus 20 plus 2 plus 50 plus 5. The answer is 87. See how fast math is, right? 44 minus 22 plus 55 minus 66 plus 20 plus 2 minus 3 plus 50 plus 9. It is 89. Okay? Okay, so that easy is magic fingers. Can you show me 2 digits? I'm going to call out some 2 digits. You can show me. 21. 2 from your left. Ma'am, you are fast. 21 plus another 21. Is this so slow? Okay. Parvalaya, ipdi slow apoma. 42. Correct. Correct. Pradeep, Adit, Danush, Kanya. I have 42 now and add a 7 to it. Now it is 49. Add a 50 to it. It is 99 minus 44 plus 22. Somebody is answering to my finger movement. That's fantastic. 77 minus 20 minus 1 minus 50 plus 90 plus 3 minus 43 minus 50 plus 70. The answer is 76. So this is magic. You like it? You like it? So if I'm going to give you some problems, can you type the answer? Yes. So now you children have to do this. Show me 22. Shivashri, 22. Aradhana, Sri San. Yeah. Add another 22. Adit, Annapurani, Vigneshwar, Maria Rajesh. Yeah, what is the answer? It's 44, right? Add 55. Add 55. What is the answer? 99. Okay, minus 23. Answer is 76. Okay, don't keep your hands like this. Just like this. கடவுள் ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணுவார்ல, எப்படி பண்ணுவார் கையை? கடவுள் ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ண மாதிரி கை வைங்க எல்லாரும். இப்படி வை, இப்படி வை. இப்படிதான் கை இருக்கணும். உன்னையும் பார்த்து இருக்கக்கூடாது, இப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது, இப்படி இருக்கணும். ஓகே, இப்படிதான் செய்யணும். ஓகே, ரெடி. நெக்ஸ்ட் சம் 23. ஐயோ, யாரோ டான்ஸ் ஆடுறாங்கப்பா. இப்படிலாம் ஒரு கை நான் வைக்கவே இல்லை. இது வந்து பரதநாட்டியம் டான்ஸ். இப்படியே ஆடவும், இப்படியே ஆடினீங்கன்னா பரதநாட்டியமா மாறிடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் வச்சுக்கலாம். நான் சொல்றத ஒழுங்கா கவனிச்சு பண்ணுங்க. நாட் லைக் திஸ். 3 is this. 3 is not this. ஆத்தியம். ஆத்தியம்னா ATHAYN. I'm looking at your fingers. 3 is not this. 3 is this. 30 is this. 2 is this. இப்படி வச்சேன்னா டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் காமிச்சிருவோம். Okay. So 3. Show me 3. Everyone. Show the fingers properly. Yashika, very good. So 3 left hand காமிக்கிறீங்க, right hand காமிங்க. Okay, 3 வந்து right handல and 30 from the left hand. 33 வந்துச்சா? Okay, minus 21 plus 32 plus 50. The answer is 94. Okay. Yeah, I think magic fingers enough. If you have any queries, you can type it in the chat box now. But it's easy, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And fun, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know that. So you are all... Magic fingers is very fun and easy to learn. I have shown you only 1% of what this magic fingers is. Okay, so it will take more time to teach you everything in magic fingers. It's a big ocean, like if you want to learn it. So somebody is typing, it's like history. Anything else? Shall we move on to the next topic? It's easy, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So now, after finishing this session, you should show your parents 22 plus 22 plus 55 minus 33 minus 55 plus 20 plus 2 is, the answer is 33. Very simple. So I love maths. Kanakku ini kasakadu. Right? Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to Vedic Maths. Are you all ready? You like it, Reason? Yes, I too like it. Okay, yeah, everybody's telling yes, ma'am. I love maths. I'm ready. Yeah, are you ready? No, I'm ready. Ellaru ready ah thaan irpinga. Nama ipo Vedic Maths padikka porom. Veda Kanidam என்பது பழங்கால கணிதம். அதாவது ஏன்ஷியன்ட் டைம்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கப்பட்டது. இந்தியால தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கப்பட்டது. இது வந்து ஒன் லைன் மேத்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லலாம். மேஜிக் மேத், ட்ரிக்கி மேத், all that name, any name, it will suit for it, and it is fun math always. Vedic Maths is fun math. Vedic Maths வச்சு எது வேணா பண்ணலாம். மல்டிப்ளை, டிவைட், பிளஸ் மைனஸ், மல்டிப்ளை, டிவைட், ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ஸ், கியூப் ரூட்ஸ், anything you can do. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நான் சொல்லி தர போறது ஒரு 4 டாபிக் தான். இந்த 4 டாபிக்கை நீங்க ஒழுங்கா கத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஷீட் அனுப்புவோம். அதை பண்ணி எங்களுக்கு நீங்க திருப்பி அனுப்பணும். First, Preetham Mr. Preetham gave you an email ID. So you need to do the activity sheet after this session. ஸோ இந்த செஷனை நீங்கள் நல்லா கவனிச்சாதான் உங்களால் அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஷீட் பண்ண முடியும். Are you with me, everyone? Show me the thumbs up. Very good. So let's move on to Vedic Maths. That's Vedic Maths. So I told you Vedic Maths is a very ancient mathematics, ancient Indian mathematics, and it is tricky math, magic math. Vedic Maths la pathina steps irukadu. You will not have steps in Vedic Maths. அப்போ எங்க மேத்ஸ் டீச்சர் திட்டுவாங்களே ஸ்கூல்ல ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இல்லாட்டினா என்ன பண்றது? So where can I use this Vedic Maths? ஏன்னா ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து கட்டாயமா நீங்க ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எழுதியே ஆகணும், இல்லைன்னா அவங்க மேத்ஸ் டீச்சர் யாரையாச்சும் பார்த்து காப்பி அடிச்சியான்னு கேட்டுருவாங்க. ரைட்? ஸோ எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ் நீங்க போவீங்கல்ல, அந்த இடத்துல Vedic Maths மட்டும் தான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ரெண்டாவது, when you finish your math paper, you can check the math paper with Vedic Maths. When you know Vedic Maths, நீங்க வந்து you can check with Vedic Maths answers. Vedic Maths பார்த்தோன்னா ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சிடும்ல. அப்ப எங்கேயாச்சும் தப்பு விட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் தப்புன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு மேல போய் திருப்பி ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து பண்ணிட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா you will do it correctly. So Vedic Maths படிக்கிறது வந்து உங்களுக்கு எந்த இடத்துல வேணா யூஸ் ஆகும். ஃபாஸ்ட் மேத்தை போட ஆரம்பிச்சிருவீங்க, அப்புறம் காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ்ல ஈஸியா பண்ணுவீங்க. காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா you will not have time to do it. சைட்ல போயிட்டு ஸ்டெப்ஸ்லாம் எழுதி ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்னா you will lose time. அப்போ அந்த இடத்துல வேதிக் மேக்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். அப்படின்னா ஆப்ஷனல் ஒலிம்பியாட்ஸ் மாதிரி, எஸ், ஆப்ஷனல் டிக்கிங் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஆப்ஷனல் டிக்கிங் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நீ சூஸ் பண்ணி அதை டிக் பண்றதுக்கு தான் உனக்கு டைம் எடுத்துக்கணுமே ஒழிய அங்க போயிட்டு உட்காந்து ஸ்டெப்ஸ் போட்டுட்டு இருந்தோம்னா we will lose the exam. ஸோ வேதிக் மேக்ஸ் வந்து கட்டாயமா படிக்கணும், எல்லாரும் படிக்கணும். மேபி த சில்ட்ரன், ஏன் நாங்க 4th to 9th 10th 11th 12th சில்ட்ரன்லாம் இங்க இருக்கீங்க, உங்களுக்குலாம் இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஈவன் நாங்க வந்து இது அடல்ட்ஸ்க்கும் சொல்லித்தரோம், அதாவது காலேஜ் லெவல்ல we are teaching this Vedic Maths. ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். குட்டி குழந்தைங்களுக்கு யூகேஜி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல அவங்க அளவுக்கு ஒரு Vedic Maths நாங்க சொல்லி தரோம். ஸோ Vedic Maths படிக்கிறது ரொம்ப நல்லது. ஸோ be with me. அதுவும் ஆனந்த விகடன் மூலமா படிக்கிறது அதை விட பெரிய ஒரு இது உங்களுக்கு. ஓகே, so be with me. Let me get into Vedic Maths now. I'm going to share a screen with you. Can you all see the screen? Can you put thumbs up? I don't want anybody to write on the screen now. If you write, I cannot write, isn't it? So be a good children. நீங்களா ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட்னு சொன்னேன், பிஹேவியர் குட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலையா? நானு நல்ல பிள்ளைங்களா கெட்ட பிள்ளைங்களா நீங்களா? நல்ல பிள்ளைங்களா கெட்ட பிள்ளைங்களா? Good or bad? Are you good or bad? Can you type? Good children will not scribble in the board, okay? Okay, now. So let me teach you the first one. Is you want simple ones or big ones? What do you mean by squaring of numbers? The same number is multiplied twice. For example, what is 1 square? 1 square means 1 into 1. That is 1. Okay. So what is 2 square? 2 square is 2 into 2. We all know table, so it is 4. Okay. So now, so I'm going to ask you what is 11 square. Can you type the answer? Anybody? Anybody would like to give it a try? 11 square எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? ஸோ எங்களுக்கு தெரியாதே. 9 tables, 10 tables வரைக்கும் தான் தெரியும். 9 square என்ன? What is 9 into 9? Is 81. Right? So how do you find out 11 square? சொல்லி தரவா? Simple method. Ready? Yes. Okay. So 1 square, 1 into 1, plus 1 into 1, and 1 square. Answer is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into 1 is 1, so this is 2, and 1 square is 1. The answer is 121. Okay? Shall we do the next sum? Clear? The first number, the second number, and in the middle, the first and the second number. The first number here, the second number here, and in the middle, the first and the second number. Okay? So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 1 into 2 is 2 is 2, and 1 into 2 is 2. So that is 144. Do you understand? Thumbs up. I want the answer for this. I'm not going to do it. Can you type the answer? Nobody is getting the answer. What? எனக்கு தெரியல chat box. Yeah, it's 484. Okay. Pradeep. Pradeep. Chat box varada. Okay. So let's do the next sum. So that's So there are lots of children who are telling, ma'am, please repeat. I'm not able to understand. So I'm going to repeat 22 again. See, you have to take, this is the first number, this is the second number. So this is 1, 2 square and the next 2 square. In the middle, you have to multiply these two numbers, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Okay, so the answer 2 square is 4. Here it is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. 484. Got it? You got it? Understood? Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's do the next sum. I gave you 32 square. So that is, if you put 3 square, that is 9. 2 square is 4. Yeah, I've got two answers. What is in the middle? So 9, 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. What is in the middle? 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 6, 12. Oh my God, I got a 2-digit answer here. So what should I do now? You have to take this digit here and add it that with 9, which becomes 10. 10, 24 is the answer. You understood? Shall I go to the next sum? Vigneshwar, can you answer my question? Yeah. Can you just put it in the chat box? I'm not getting the answer from Vigneshwar. So 1 square is 1. 7 square is 49. 7 into 2 plus 7 into 2. Huh? Oh, sorry. Take this number 9, add 4 to 14, which becomes 18. And then I have written 8. The 1 will be taken here. The answer is 289. Otherwise, in school method, you will do like this, 17 into 17. Right? 7 sevens are 49. 177. That is the way you do, right? And 11, 177, 122, which is, sorry, 177, 111. So you can cross check with your school method also whether the answers are right or wrong. Okay. So some more sums for you. I need the answers. Now you have to start doing mentally from next class without any paper pencil. The answer must be fastly. சீக்கிரமா சொல்லிட்டோம். அதுதான் வெதிக் மேக்ஸோட யூஸ் வந்து எப்படின்னா பார்த்தோன்னு ஆன்சர் எழுதுற அளவுக்கு நீங்க வரணும். ஸோ நாங்க ஒர்க் ஷீட்ல நிறைய சம்ஸ் கொடுக்க போறோம். ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நான் ஆன்சர் கேட்கும் பொழுது டக்குன்னு சொல்லணும். யூ ஷுட் நாட் டேக் டைம் டு டூ இட் இன் த book and notebook and then tell me. Now, how will you do this in your mind? So 2 2s are 4, 3 square is 9. So you get two answers, 4 and 9. In the middle, you will get 6 plus 6, 12. So that one goes and gets added with 4, which becomes 5. So the answer is 5 to 9, right? So you should do it mentally so that, for that you have to keep practicing a lot. Somebody asked me what is 3 digits. When it comes to 3 digits, how should I do? See, first learn 2 digits and then we will go to 3 digits. So we are in the primary level. There is something called as intermediate level and then advanced level. So let's have the primary level now. Try to understand this. Are you all clear? Shall we go to the next topic? Let me see the chats. Yeah, Sri Vignesh, super, and you have answered everything. 529, 1764, 961, and 2809. That's fantastic. And Tanush Khan, that's fantastic. So shall we move on to the next topic? Yeah. Clear, or you want me to repeat, children? Are you clear, children? Clear? Somebody wants me to repeat. Let me do some simple sums. What is 13 square? 169. Okay. So what is 14 square? Okay, let me go to the next topic. Division by 9. What is 12 divided by 9? Vigneshwar, can you type the answer? I like the name Vigneshwar. Sorry, Vigneshwar. And Aradhana, Arul Murugan, Shivashri, Adit Tannadurai, Yashika, Yashila, Vijay Lakshmi, Palani Rajan, Jonathan Salah, Pranav. Pranav, did you understand? You only asked me to do it again, right? Vignesh Bala, who's going to type now? Are you typing, children? Quotient 1, reminder 3. That's fantastic. Quotient 1, reminder 3. Yes. Why you people are typing 4 by 3? Sheshma, Neelakandan, Arnodayan, Shivaprabha, Chai Sri, are you all doing? Navina, Arav, Raghavan, yeah. So the answer is, you said quotient 1, reminder 3, right? So let us check it is right or wrong. When you do with Vedic maths division by 9, I am going to teach using Vedic maths. The first number comes as it is, that is equal to 1. And the next answer is you have to add these two, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And the last answer is always remainder. You have to bring down the 1, the first number. The next step is you have to add the numbers 1 plus 2, the next step. So that is 3. So quotient is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 3. Let's do another sum for your better understanding. So I'm bringing the 1 down. Then the next step is you have to add this 2. That is 1 plus 1 is 2, the next answer. Then the next step is you have to add all the 3. 1 plus 3 is 5. So the remainder is 5 and the quotient is 12. Got it? Are you all checking in with the calculators? I want you to understand Vedic maths. No need to check with the calculators and tell me in decimal. Okay. Try to understand. You want to do the regular method. One, 2 potana 3 la. Yeah. Is it right? Your school method. Hope you all understand this. Vigneshwar, do you understand? Show me your thumbs up. Very good. Answer, please. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Remainder 7. What is the answer? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Remainder 7. See how fast it is? Can you do this fast when you learn, by the school method? Is it possible to do this fast when you use school method? No. So the answer is, for those who have not understood yet, first number down, then add these two numbers is 2. Add this 2, 1, 2, 3 numbers. Now 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Add again the next number. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Add the next number. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. The last answer always will be the remainder. So the last answer is 7. Question is okay. Okay, so anybody who wants to do more sums? Yeah, Adit Annadura, it is the easiest method I have ever learned even. Yeah, this is the very easiest. Then why do schools use this math? Oh my God, what do we do? I don't know why they are using the other math in the schools. Yeah. Somebody typing me that method. Then why, ma'am, they are teaching us that method in schools? This is easier. Let's find out why later. Okay. Huh? Yeah, I'll give you small sums now for your understanding. I want the answers from you. So let's see. 1, 3, 2 divided by 9. 1, 7 divided by 9. 1, 1, 6 divided by 9. Say 2, 2, 2 divided by 9. 2, 1, 3 divided by 9. Can you give me the answer? Just by looking at the sum, you have to write the answer now. So the first answer is, the quotient is 1, 4, and the remainder is 6. Yeah, let me see the chat box. How many of you type it? I'll do the next sum. Go to the next sum. Say sum number 2 and type the answer. Huh? I'm looking at the chat box. So the first sum is 18 divided by 9. Somebody was asking me how to do that. So let's do the Vedic math way. Okay, ready? So first number down. So the quotient is 1. The next number is 1 plus 8 is 9. And we say the last answer is always the remainder. But can 9 be the remainder? No, because it is divisible by 9 again. So this goes one more time and the quotient is 2. Remainder is 0. Okay. Let's do 225 divided by 9. So 2 down, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. And then 4 plus 5 is 9. So I say remainder is equal to 9. Is it right? No. Because the remainder cannot be 9 because it goes one time in 9. So the quotient becomes 25. Remainder becomes 0. Yeah? Clear? The remainder cannot be 9 or more than 9. If it is going to be that way, you have to add one more to your quotient. Add plus 1 to your quotient. Okay. So hope you understood the concept. Okay. So now, Pradeep, can you share the thinking thing? Let's have some fun now. A break. So I have covered topics. Pradeep, can you show me that slide? Topics squaring numbers and division by 9. Now we'll see something else. So you will have some fun. We give training on thinking skills so that the students start from very simple to complex problem solving practices. Lateral thinking is out of box thinking. Those who have a good out of box thinking power will be the leaders of the world. Like, for example, you can say Bill Gates, Ambani, and those who are shining in their life, you know, the top people, they think differently. So that is why we have taken thinking technique into our program. And the first thing to be solved is connect these dots with 4 straight lines without lifting your pencil. Can you try, children? Can you try? Please try. And if anybody gets the answer, Rudra, you got the answer? Can you show it in the screen? Yes. Yeah, do it, do it, do it. You have lifted your hand. No. No way. Yeah, you can draw it on the board. Can you rub it? The one who is doing can rub this. Let's give the chance to other people, please. Try to draw properly, one by one. Please, one by one. No, wrong. No. All dots should be joined without lifting your pencil. Stop scribbling on the board. Nobody got the answer right. I want one by one to do it. I want, somebody said I have the answer. I got, Aradhana alone can touch the board now. Aradhana, can you draw it? You should not lift your pencil or your marker. So, in my next class, if anybody has the answer, they will get a gift from BrainCarve. No. No, and you all want to scribble on the board. Okay, Pradeep. We'll go to the next question. What do you see from this picture? Yes, it is home. I have gone to the next picture, children, and you are still drawing. Stop drawing. I know you are very naughty children. Don't touch the board now. I'm able to. You don't have to draw. Nobody, I don't want anybody to draw. If you want to send it, you can send it through something else. Try it at home. Don't lift your pencil. All the 9 dots must be joined without lifting your pencil. Okay. So that is, you try at home and show me in the next class in a paper. You don't have to draw it on the board. Even you can draw it on a paper and show us, right? Okay, next question. Not 3 lines, 4 straight lines. You cannot change the question, Kanna. Question maatama say no. 3 lines podava ma'am and kekringa. Done, present, prasanna. Yeah, that's fantastic. If you are done, that is fantastic. And inverted yes, no, no, no. Inverted yes, inverted yes, எப்படி வரும் இப்படி வரும் இப்படி வரும் அது எப்படி எல்லா டாட்டையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவோம் அங்க கேப் வந்துருச்சு எப்படி எஸ் போட்டாலும் தப்புதான். Prachan Karthik, yes, you can do it in a paper and show us. Don't touch the board. Okay, let's go to the next question. What do you see from this picture? It is a home, right? Even a UKG child can say this. Now think out of box. What else you can see? Now I will not tell the solution now. Thinking technique, out of box thinking is something you have to practice. If I'm going to give the answer, I will become more brilliant and you will become dull. No way. So, நீங்க தான் say போறீங்க இந்த answer next week கொண்டு வந்தா கூட okay, we have 31st ஒரு class இருக்கு அப்ப நம்ம திருப்பி இத பத்தி discuss பண்ணலாம். Yeah, that's a triangle, rectangle. Fantastic. The answers have started. Yeah, type what you are looking at the picture and it is in the beholder's eyes. You can type anything you want. How? Yeah, rocket. Fantastic. Somebody typed rocket. Pencil. Jonathan, pencil. Yes. Pencil tip. Triangle. Right. Don't repeat. Goalpost. Okay. Pen tip. Pen tip. Yeah, next. Mail cover. Yes, it is a post cover. Fantastic. Face with cap. Okay. Temple. Bullet. A train in front view. Fantastic. Arrow. Bottom of a nail. Fantastic. Windmill. Okay. Knife. Okay. House. Don't repeat. Somebody has. I'm reading for your sake. Light tray. Okay. No square, no house can be repeated. No pencil can be repeated. It's a powerhouse. Okay. Signboard. Yes, signboard. Yes. It's a sphere, pencil box looking like pencil. Okay, warehouse. Square with hat. Arrow. Taj Mahal. My God. Taj Mahal தெரியுதா? சைட்ல இருந்து பார்த்தா தாஜ்மஹால் மாதிரி இருக்காது, எனக்கு தெரியலையே. clown face okay, scarecrow okay, matchbox okay, blunt to sharp, temple, box, anything else? Pencil again, pencil. Anything else? There are lots of things in this. Again, it's a homework for you to do. These two pictures will be discussed. Ice cream, yes, ice cream. Dashboard in the car. The tent. Okay, tower. Birthday cake. Okay. Dice, ship. Pyramid. Okay, super. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Are you all ready? Ready? Okay. You want to learn more or you want to ask me questions? That is over. Children, water bottle. Okay, fine. Come back to the classes. You want to learn more? No, I'm going to teach you another topic. Only one more topic to cover. Okay, so be with me and then we can have the question answering session. Okay, so multiply by 11. Any number. See, Vedic maths revolves around 16 sutras. Sutras means formulas and it has patterns. Patterns na இந்த சம இப்படித்தான் செய்யணும். ஒவ்வொரு சமக்கும் ஒரு பேட்டர்ன் இருக்கு. இப்ப நான் அதுல வந்து உங்களுக்கு division by 9 is a pattern and then squaring of numbers is a pattern. சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி there are 1001 patterns which you have to learn. Okay, so நம்ம இங்க பார்க்கிறது few things தான். இப்ப நான் multiply by 11 எப்படி பண்றது easy. I'm going to tell you how to do multiply by 11 very easily. Whatever be the number. Okay, so now let's see. Bring the first number down, the last number down, and add these two, and that is the middle answer, 132. Is it easy? Adit, Tannadurai, I'm looking at you. Which standard you are in? Which standard you are in? 9th standard? Okay, you are chatting in the chat box. 12th grade. You are in 12th grade? 8th? Okay, fine. So do you understand? Vigneshwar, which standard you are in? You can show with magic fingers, na? I taught you magic fingers. Ha ha. 8th standard. Okay. Aradhana, which standard you are in? Aradhana? Arul Murugan, which standard are you in? 4th or 5th or 6th? 5th standard? Okay. Jonathan? Show me in magic fingers. 4th. Oh, that's fantastic. 4th. Okay. So we'll ask some more people. Okay. Yashika, which standard you are in? 5th. Oh my God, my children have learned magic fingers. Okay, Adyan, which standard are you in? 5th. Okay, Nishant. Oh, Nishant has put it up. Nishant, you're in 7th. Fantastic. Showing 7th to me. Magic fingers. Fantastic, Nishant. Okay. Rajan Karthik. 7. Wow. Aravakilan. 5th. Oh my God. Super. So you all have understood magic fingers, huh? Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, now let's go to the next sum in multiply by 11. So let's take, what do we do? So let's say 25 into 11. What is the answer? You have to bring down the 2, bring down the 5, and add these 2 to get the middle number. 275 is the answer. Navina, is it clear, Navina? Can you show me the thumbs up if you have understood? Very good. So the next sum. Can you type the answer? Fastly, children, just from your mind. You don't have to write even. You don't have to write even. Okay. So it is 341 is the answer. 341 is the answer. Is it not? 341 is the answer. Yeah, 242 is the answer. Fantastic. The next sum. Yes, fantastic. 484. Adit Hannadurai, how will you do this problem? Can you type the answer? 2, 3. It's 2, 3, 2, 1. That's fantastic. So 2 down, 1 down. Then keep adding. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. One, 2, 3, and then do you all understand? Because you will get an activity sheet. You need to answer that sheet and send it back to us. If you have any doubts, Kindly share it in the chat box so that I can repeat. So now, no doubts, ma'am. That's fantastic, Sanraj. No doubts. Can you repeat this sum? Yes, I can repeat. So we are going to do the same sum, that is 1121 into 11. 1121 into 11. There's someone who has doubt. So always you have to bring the last numbers down, 1 and 1. Then you have to keep adding. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. Do you have doubt again? Somebody who typed. Mind-blowing session, ma'am. Adit. Thank you, Adit. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, very clear, ma'am. Nishan, thank you. So, Abhilash, what's 99999? This session is wonderful. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you. Yeah, now, Chendur Selvan, no ma'am, போட்டிருக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா? செந்தூர் செல்வன், ஈரோடுக்காரர் பேசுங்க மெசேஜ்லயே. Ma'am, I understood. Okay, that's fantastic. This one will work only for 11. Yes. 11 multiply பண்ணும்போது மட்டும்தான் இந்த பேட்டர்ன். நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு 66க்கு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது இந்த பேட்டர்னை போட்டேன்னா முட்டை போட்டுருவாங்க. Okay, be careful. I'm just repeating. Vedic Maxல நான் என்ன சொல்லி தரேனோ அது அந்த சம்முக்கு மட்டும்தான் பொருந்தும். Are you taking notes? 11க்கு ஒரு பேட்டர்ன், division by 9க்கு ஒரு பேட்டர்ன், ஸ்கொயரிங் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு பேட்டர்ன் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இதை கொண்டு போய் வேற எந்த சம்முக்கும் ட்ரை பண்ணிடாதீங்க. ஓகே, சோ இந்த 3 பேட்டர்ன் இப்ப லேர்ன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க நீங்க. இதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஷீட் வரும். ஓகே, 4வது பேட்டர்ன் கூட நான் இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுக்க ரெடியா தான் இருக்கேன். பிகாஸ் only 15 minutes question answer session. சில்ட்ரன், எல்லாமே நான் சொல்லி தரது எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு பிரைமரி லெவல்ல சொல்லி தந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். அதனால பெரிய சம்ஸ போட்டு குழப்பிக்காம ட்ரை பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா நாங்க அனுப்புற ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஷீட் மாத்திரம் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so this is primary level. If you want to know more, you have to continue with us. எங்க கிட்ட வந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும், அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே புரியும். ஓகே, சோ என்ன பத்தி, ஐ மீன் பிரெயின் காவ் பத்தி என்ன பத்தி இன்னும் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா நீங்க போயிட்டு யூடியூப்ல பிரெயின் காவ்னு அடிச்சீங்கன்னா, பிரெயின், எவ்ரிபடி ஹஸ் பிரெயின்ஸ் ரைட், அத கார்வ் பண்றதுதான் எங்க வேலை. Brain carve. So this is the keyword. Just type brain carve in YouTube, you will see lots about this. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing, I invite you all to a virtual ceremony tomorrow if you are interested. I don't know whether Anand will then can share that ID with you all. We have a Zoom meeting, virtual ceremony of brain carve with the public. So you all can join in that and have fun. Okay, YouTube layum telecast adu 6 to 7. 6 to 7 YouTube la நாங்க ஒரு படம் காமிக்க போறோம். பிரெயின் காவ் படம் எடுத்திருக்கோம். அது நீங்க எல்லாருமே பார்க்கலாம். Join with us 6 to 7 and you will enjoy that show. Okay, and tomorrow is Saraswati Puja. எல்லாரும் I don't know, this is Hindus festival. Anyways, we know Saraswati as goddess of studies. So இந்த நேரத்துல உங்க எல்லாருக்காண்டியும் I saw there are 10th and 12th children inside, and it's online classes for everyone. I know children, you are struggling with the online classes. I pray to Goddess Saraswati to bless you all and give you good studies and get good marks to go through this year. You know, this pandemic year, you have to cross with us. We are also as teachers struggling to teach children, and you guys are fantastic. Try to learn, through online always. Okay, now going on to the next concept, a little hint which I will continue in the next week. Can you tell me the answer for the answer is 50. So how did I say answer is 50? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சேன்? Any idea? Adi Tanatara, any idea? Vigneshwar, Harul Murugan, Aradhana, any idea? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? No magic fingers here. It's not magic fingers. It's not magic fingers. It's Vedic maths. I'm doing Vedic maths now, so I did Vedic maths. So எப்படி இது கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? Okay, so next week. Okay. There is something called as complements. Oh my God. Okay. So complements. Complement nana. Have you heard about this complement word? Complement nana. Type பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Appreciating. Oh, complementary angle. ஒரு பையன் அப்படியே மேத்ஸ்லயே போயிட்டாருப்பா. Okay. Appreciation, compliment. Somebody compliments you is appreciation. ஆனா ஸ்பெல்லிங் பாத்தீங்களா, நான் வேற ஸ்பெல்லிங் போட்டிருக்கேன். அந்த காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்டுக்கு இங்க ஐ வரும். ஓகே, so COMPLIMENT தான் நீங்க சொல்ற காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் அப்ரிசியேஷன். ஆனா நான் சொல்ற காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் வேதிக் மேக்ஸோட காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட். The complement of 1 is 9. The complement of 2 is 8. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? It is base 10. 10 பேஸா வச்சுட்டு இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் ரெண்டையும் எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றோம். 2 ஆட் பண்ணா 10, 2 ஆட் பண்ணா 10. So 10 மைண்ட்ல வச்சுட்டு எனக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. 7க்கு அப்ப என்ன வரும்? Show me in fingers, magic fingersல சொல்லுங்க. 7க்கு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் 3. வெரி குட் விக்னேஸ்வர். சரி 7. Then 3க்கு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் 7. 4க்கு six. When you add the two numbers, you should get 10. When you add the two numbers, you should get 10. Okay, that's it. Okay. So 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5. These all adds up to 10. Is it not? Okay. Now what is the complement of 22? So let's stop here and we will continue next week. Now I would like to have your question and answer session.
Hi, good evening, students. Good evening, ma'am. So I think it was a pretty interactive, interesting, and a fun session. So quickly, students, we have some time till 6 p.m. to interact with ma'am. So I would invite few of you all to ask ma'am if you have anything. So please hand raise. So I will unmute you. Since I didn't see any questions, most of the questions were answered by ma'am, and you were you said the session is good. So Abu Bakr has raised hand. Abu Bakr, let me unmute you. Abu Bakr, please unmute yourself. Abu Bakr Razid or Sagana. Sagana, you can speak.
You can speak, children.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I have a doubt in the division of 9. Can you just repeat it?
Yes, sure, I can. So let's take 17 divided by 9. You have to bring this, any first number down as the quotient. And the next step is to add these two, and the last answer is always the remainder. For example, there is a 3-digit number and you are dividing it by 9. The quotient would be 1, the first number always down, and then you have to add 1 plus 2, which is 3, the second number. Okay, the last number would be always the remainder. So I'm adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. The last answer is 6. So first is 1, I have brought it down. I added 1 plus 2, which is 3 here. And then I added 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6 here, right? So keep adding the numbers. It is not like multiply by 11 is different, division by 9 is different, but both has to be added. You find the difference, children? Let's do one sum as divide by 9 and one sum from multiply by 11, which are more or less similar, but there is a simple difference. Now let's take 1, 4, 1 divided by 9. 4, 1, 4, 1 multiply by 9. Okay. So here in division, when you divide it by 9, 1 comes down, the first number, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. This is the quotient. The last is you have to add all the 3 numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 1, the remainder is 6, right? So this is division. Now when coming to this multiply by 11, you bring the first number down, the last number down. Here also there is addition. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next is 4 plus 1 is 5, not group addition. Here it is group addition. Here is two numbers go together. Okay, clear? Am I clear to you? Somebody asked me a question, right? Am I clear to you?
Yeah, I think so, ma'am. Now Sagana has hand raised. Sagana, can you speak?
Sahana?
No. Abu Bakr Razid, is there a question?
Madam, my audio is so fun, ma'am. Okay. You can
Does not
mute.
work. You can
Yeah,
chat, Sahana. You can type your question, Sagana.
three participants.
Ma'am, will you send the recorded clip?
Yes, yes, there is recorded, but I'm not sure how good is the quality. We will
Okay, I
share.
have a question.
Yes, please.
How do you add 5 for 9 plus 5 in magic finger method?
That is magic. That is another level. We are on the primary level. We want to learn everything now. So let's take a little by little, okay? So that is, see, actually it involves 34 combinations, fingers. So I have to teach you the next level if you want to add 9 plus 5.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Wait for that. Okay.
Students,
Yeah.
so anybody else who has a doubt to ask, ma'am? You can also share your feedback on how is the session. Adit Anand, you want to speak, Adit? You've been very attentive. You're shaking your head. Yes or no, Adit? So students, anybody else? Any doubts?
Did you like the class? Can you put your thumbs up?
Can we have some thumbs up if the session is good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody loves it. Okay.
Perfect.
That's fantastic.
So as everybody knows, the next session is on the 31st October from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So we have a short activity which ma'am has created for you all, which I will also email it and I will also share it now. I'm not sure whether you will be able to download. Just try downloading it. If not, we will also send the activity sheet to your registered email ID. By tomorrow, you will receive it. So not to worry. I am sharing the activity sheet now. If you are not able to download, not to worry. Again, we will also send it by email. So this is just for day 1. I have shared it in the chat window, students. So try downloading it. If you have problem, not to worry. We will email it to you to the registered email ID. So now last 2 questions. Now Hasini has hand raised. Hasini, can you unmute yourself, please? Yeah, your question, please, Hasini.
Can you please give the recording link in the mail ID?
Okay, we will work it out. Either we will work it out. Whichever the quality is good, we will definitely share it. So one more hand raise we have. Administrator's iPad. I'm not sure what's the student's
Susan
name.
has a doubt. Yeah, Susan has a doubt. Susan,
Okay,
can you
Susan.
type it? Can you unmute, Susan?
Yeah, I'm doing it, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have how to remember all patterns you taught, ma'am? You taught different patterns. How to remember all the patterns?
You have learned only 4 today, right? That is not even 4, that is 3.5. So can you tell me like what all you learned today, Susan? What is the first topic I taught to you?
Who asked this question?
Susan,
Math.
Who asked?
Susan, can you tell me the first topic?
Magic fingers.
Yeah, then
9 division by 9 series.
yeah, very good. Next,
Multiplication by 11.
fantastic. Then
Out of box thinking.
okay. What happened to this? What we started with squaring of numbers? So today we covered squaring of numbers, multiply by 11, and then we saw complements. Complements is the midway, and so we'll continue that next week, and division by 9 and some of the thinking techniques. That to have just fun, okay? And then I showed you what is magic fingers. So in the next week, there's much more to come, and don't miss the class. You will learn all the patterns, this 1,001 patterns. As soon as you see the paper, you will know by practice, Susan. You don't have to worry. You are in the first class today, and as it goes, you will learn more. And yes, there are lots of children who have studied Vedic maths and passed out, and they are all faring well in their examinations and competitive examinations. And yes, you will also do it. That through practice only, Susan, you can do it. And this is just a first class. Okay, no worries. So as and when we are moving to the next class, I will give a review of the previous class so that you guys can remember and just make it pile it up and see it whether you can remember it or not. So next week there will be a small test for you all in division by 9 and all that we learned today, and then only I will start the class. So be ready, do the activity sheet, and if you have any queries, you can ask me next week when I commence it for the classes. We have enough time, 2 hours session it is. So you can ask me questions. Okay. And to know more about me, just watch YouTube Brain Carve. And you are invited for the Brain Carve show tomorrow at 6 p.m. through YouTube.
So yes, ma'am. So students, so we all had a wonderful session today, the first session, and we will share the activity sheet and see you all next week, same time, October 31st, 4 p.m. Please don't forget, please remind your parents that you have the session, and also share your feedback to your parents that, how was the session, how interesting it was, what all you learned, and try and do something, ask your parents help to Google and see, and do some activity apart from the activity which we give. So let this 1 week be a learning period. Sit with your parents, ask them, take their help, and then such that you have more doubts which can be clarified in the next session. So this is Ananda Vigidan's Learn Maths Easy Way or Kanakku Ini Kasakadu. So this is the session. Ananda Vigidan patti ungalku yarukume theriyadhu. Ananda Vigidan is a 95-year-old media house based out of Chennai. It's a regional magazine, but we cater to different audience. Women, we have magazine for women, we have magazine for farming, we have magazine for finance, we have magazine for movies. I'm sure most of the students would have heard about Ananda Vigidan Cinema Awards, which also happens from Ananda Vigidan. So from the Ananda Vigidan group, this is one of the sessions which we are doing it in English and also Tamil, in partnership with Brain Carve and with Dr. Parameshwari. So that's it for now. So see you next week. Until then, we are signing off. Thank you all for patiently listening to us and asking questions. And please try and practice it every day. So you'll have more doubts, which you can also ask in the next session, or you can also email us. I've already shared. It is rsvp@vigidan.com. We will ask ma'am as a special request to answer your questions in case you have anything during the week. So this is the email ID rsvp@vigidan.com. I have just typed in the chat window. So thank you all. Thank you, ma'am. And
Thank you, Preetham. Thank you, Anandavagan, and thank you, children. And you are wonderful. I love you all.
perfect. Yeah. Thank you, students. Good day.
Bye.